They are based in Germany. You know, so over there they are involved in Akurulu. You know, so Akurulu. I went on another movement on Akurulu. Okay. Like people targeted at people like you. Okay. When investments, if you don't have an investment in a league, you must bring one home. Sure. Everybody is taxed. You weigh something. Nobody pure water factory that can employ 10 or more persons. People in diaspora, people everywhere. You know, so if Igbo they drawn to home, all these roads, individually for sure. So Igbos, Motorwana, Nigeria, we must learn a new way to survive as Indian and have a national consciousness, identity consciousness, and cultural consciousness. This is your paper. You can take it to Germany. Yeah, the start. You know, you take it to Germany. You still tell people because most of our people there, when a business is the paper is about entertainment, news, sports, and adverts. E.g., may encourage businesses. Then my story, my interview is found in page 10. Through the interview I published it there, you can be able to understand the things that I'm not even saying here. You understand? So you read. Oh, one day, I won't